This Airbnb guest breaks a table and 2 chairs, and I've got to get that table replaced before the next guest checks in. And there's a whole bunch of problems. First, I can't find the same table, so I've got to buy a different one. It's not going to match the photos. 2, my reservations are back to back. I'm 100% occupied. So in a couple hours, I've got to bring this new table in, set up the chairs, and take photos, and get the photos updated before the next guest checks in. And thank God for the B&B Photo Factory, because after I set up that table, I was able to take photos with my iPhone, upload them to an AI, and the AI gave me back professional quality listing ready photos. And because the listing was already live, I only needed a few photos, and the B&B Photo Factory just switched to a per photo model. So for just a few bucks, I was able to update all of the necessary photos on my listing. Now this listing is 100% occupied, and you know what the secret is? All of my photos are B&B Photo Factory photos. I'm getting high conversion rate, high ADR, and 100% occupancy because I rely on the B&B Photo Factory to make sure that all of my photos are top quality. And this AI understands that these are short-term rentals, so they will update and change my photos ever so slightly to be more attractive for short-term stays. They understand that it's not just real estate photography, but we are marketing a beautiful experiential stay. So whether you're launching a new listing fast and you need photos today, or you can't find a good professional photographer to work with you, or the professional photographers are too expensive, you can use the B&B Photo Factory and their photo tutorials to just copy what works. You can have an iPhone 8. Your camera doesn't have to be that good because the B&B Photo Factory regenerates all the photos. And if you already have wonderful photos and you don't want to spend a lot of money on new photos and you just need a few updated ones, you can upload one photo at a time to the B&B Photo Factory and just pay a few dollars for some new photos. I'm using the B&B Photo Factory for all of my listings now. It is the future of short-term rentals. There's going to be a link for you to try the B&B Photo Factory. Click that link. Let me know what you think. I'll see you on the other side.